2012 മെയ് 3 KSIDC ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റിലേക്ക് നടന്ന പരീക്ഷയുടെ ചോദ്യപേപ്പർ. Consider a normal population with unknown mean and variance. Then, option A, sample mean is sufficient for population mean. Option B, sample variance is sufficient for population variance. Option C, sample mean and variance are jointly sufficient for population mean and variance. Option D, all of these. Answer: Option C, sample mean and variance are jointly sufficient for population mean and variance. 4 integers are chosen from first 10 natural numbers. The probability that smallest is 2 and largest is 8 is option A 1 by 21, option B 1 by 6, option C 7 by 10, option D 1 by 2. Answer: option A 1 by 21. The number of columns in a life table is option A 6, option B 7, option C 8, option D 9. Answer: option C 8. If all values in a series are decreased by 9, the standard deviation of the resulting series will be option A decreased by 9, option B increased by 9, option C decreased by 3, option D none of these. Answer: option D none of these. If x, y follows trinomial distribution, the conditional distribution of x given y will be option A binomial, option B hypergeometric, option C negative binomial, option D Poisson. Answer: option A binomial. For a normal distribution, option A quartile deviation is greater than mean deviation from mean. Option B, the frequency curve is bell-shaped and leptokurtic. Option C, mean, median and mode will coincide. Option D, all of above. Answer: option C, mean, median and mode will coincide. The x-coordinate of the point of intersection of the ogive curves. Option A first quartile, option B second quartile, option C third quartile, option D none of these. Answer: option B second quartile. Question number 8. The index number possessing an upward bias is option A Laspeyres index, option B Pasch's index, option C Fisher's index, option D all the above. Answer: option A Laspeyres index. In proportional allocation, the number of units to be selected from each stratum depends on option A sample size, option B population size, option C stratum size, option D all the above. Answer: option D all the above. Question number 10. A person travel his first 10 kilometer at a speed of 40 kilometer per hour and next 10 kilometer at 60 kilometer per hour. What is his average speed? Option A 55 kilometer per hour. Option B 48 kilometer per hour. Option C 53 kilometer per hour. Option D 50 kilometer per hour. Answer option B 48 kilometer per hour. Let x and y are two random variables whose expectations exist. Which of the following is true? Option A. Expectation of x plus y equal to expectation of x plus expectation of y. Option B. Expectation of xy equal to expectation of x into expectation of y. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. All of these. Answer. Expectation of x plus y equal to expectation of x plus expectation of y. Option A. Question number 12. For a given series, Laspeyres and Parse's index numbers are obtained as 144 and 121 respectively. The value of ideal index for the series is option A 144, option B 132.5, option C 132, option D 121. Answer option C 132. Question number 13. Which of the following estimate of population mean uses information on auxiliary variate? Option A. Ratio method estimate. Option B. Regression method estimate. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. Answer option C. Both A and B. Question number 14. Lottery method is an appropriate technique for the selection of option A. PPS sampling. Option B. Simple random sampling. Option C. Quota sampling. Option D. All the above. Answer option B. Simple random sampling. The asymptotic distribution of the mean of sample taken from a population with finite variance is option A. Uniform. Option B. chi-square. Option C. Students T. Option D. Normal. Answer is option D. Normal. Question number 16. If x greater than 1 is the critical region for testing theta minus 2 against theta minus 1 on the basis of single observation taken from the exponential population with mean option A e raised to minus 1, option B e raised to minus 2, option C 1 minus e raised to minus 1, option D 1 minus e raised to minus 2. Answer is option B e raised to minus 2. The variation due to irregular component in a time series can be eliminated by option A, variate difference method, option B, method of semi-average, option C, deseasonalization, option D, both A and C. Answer, option A, variate difference method. Distribution possessing lack of memory property. Option A, geometric. Option B, exponential. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A nor B. Answer, both A and B. Option C. Question number 19. 10 persons are sitting around a round table at random. What is it that a particular pair of persons will be seated adjacent? Option A, 1 by 10. Option B, 1 by 5. Option D, 1 by 9. Option D, 2 by 9. Answer, option D, 2 by 9. Question number 20. The variance of sample taken from a normal population having finite variance is option A, unbiased for population variance. Option B, consistent for population variance. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A nor B. Answer is option B, consistent for population variance.
If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.